So, hi, James. Thank you very much for joining me today.
My
I
pleasure.
know that you and Kate had a really, really good conversation last year that created a lot of interest, talking about inclusive recruitment and, in particular, talking around the interview. I'd like to talk to you today a little bit more about the process that comes before that and why that's so important. So, could you explain just briefly what are we seeing with clients at the moment and where are the main focuses happening?
Yeah, I think that there's definitely still value in talking about how to set up an evidence-based interview. The importance of really good note taking and really good questions that allow us to, not go on our instant judgment, but have something that we can take away and look at, when the bias maybe has worn off. But I think one of the things we've really learned and where we've gone further with some of our clients this year is it's great to do an interview like that, but the interview is the end. That's the end point. That's the last point in the process. It's a process that starts, many weeks before when you set out your role advert, maybe you brief a recruiter, and then obviously you go through some sort of shortlisting process and then actually planning for the interview. So making sure the right people are there, but crucially, what questions you want to ask and how you're going to mark them. So yeah, I think a lot of our clients and in the wider world, I think more of the evidence-based approach, more detail, more evidence is definitely a trend. So I think actually focusing on all the other stuff is what's really bringing it to life at the moment.